Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to verify our domain that we're going to be using with Amazon SES. And to do that we're going to go to the Identity Management tab inside of SES. So to start from the beginning, we'll start from the home page of Amazon SES. You're going to see a left side menu. You'll then click Domains. What you'll do then is you're going to click Verify a New Domain. You're then going to write in the domain that you're going to be using. You're then going to want to click the Generate DKIM settings. Then you'll want to click Verify this domain. You'll then get a set of information that you're going to be using with your host. And when you do this, it's going to take about 48 hours in order for you to verify the domain fully and for it to propagate. Now, in some cases, you will then take this information and give it to your host. In other cases, you'll need to place this information inside of your DNS settings yourself. The best place to start would be to ask your host how you should handle this, and if they choose to handle it for you, you can let them, and if not, then you'll want to enter it. Now, if you're already familiar with the zone editor inside your cPanel or control panel for your website, you'll be able to place these records by using this panel, and you'll see that there is a space for the CNAME record, for an MX record, as well as a record for TXT. And once this process is complete, you'll be able to send through Amazon SES with any address from the domain that is verified. You'll also be protected against spoofers who attempt to use your domain and sending capability inside of Amazon SES by faking your email address. Now you can start checking for verification. Now you can start checking for verification as little as 1 hour after the time when you have set this up. Now, Amazon and most hosts will say that this process is going to take 48 to 72 hours. As of the recording of this video, this process took 2 hours. Now, you can then go into your domain. If you click the drop-down menu, you'll see that the DKIM settings are all verified, as well as your mail from domain is now in place, and your domain is now ready to be used. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.